thing I want to tell you that in question answers, okay, there will be fill in the blanks, there will be MCQ questions. What is the meaning of MCQ? That is multi choice questions. Okay, true or false, name the following and one line answer. ठीक है, इस तरीके से आंसर्स आपका आएगा. एक आध गिव रीज़न आ सकता है, सो वी कैन टेल दैट. तो आपको जो मैं नोट्स प्रोवाइड कर रही हूँ, प्लीज़ राइट डाउन ऑल द नोट्स, क्योंकि दैट इज़ वेरी इम्पॉर्टेंट. और टेक्स्ट बुक रीड करना उससे भी बड़ा इम्पॉर्टेंट. You have to read the textbook. I am only giving you the important points, okay, because the whole book, your whole lesson cannot be taught through a video or cannot be taught online. So the few points which is really very important for the lesson to know, that points I am sharing with you, and here are the notes that you have to note it down. So the main thing is you have to complete your work as well as you have to read your textbook. See, here is notes of lesson number 8. Okay, it's lesson number 8. Now here give one word, you have to write it in single word. An important officer in the navy of Swaraj. Who was the officer? Daulat Khan, a Tamil poet who composed the poem of Shivaji Maharaj, and the answer is Subramanyam Bharati. He created an independent kingdom in Budel Khan. Answer is Chhatrasal. He composed the pawadas of a greatness of Shivaji Maharaj. Who composed that? Mahatma Jyotirao Phule. The poet who has written a long poem of Shivaji Maharaj. Answer is Rabindranath Tagore. Started celebration of Shiv Jayanti to bring national awakening. Who was the man? Lokmanya Tilak. Has written a book about the greatness of Shivaji Maharaj. Answer is Lala Lajpat Rai. Who said that Maharaj did not belong to Maharashtra alone? He belonged to the whole Indian nation. Who was it? Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru. Has written a book, Shivaji and his times. Who wrote this book? मैंने आपको लास्ट लेक्चर में एक्सप्लेन किया था कि ये बुक किसने लिखा था. तो इट वॉज रिटन बाय सर जादूनाथ सरकार. ओके, सो यू कैन write it down. You can stop the video here and you can copy it down in your book. And yes, you have to write these notes in your notebook. You have to make a notebook starting from one day. I am telling you the one thing, that you have to make a notebook of social studies and you have to write down each and every notes that will be checked by the teachers when the school will reopen. Okay, and of course I will check your books that you all have written or not written. Okay, now 10th one, turn the Swaraj into a स्वराज्य. Who turned the स्वराज into स्वराज्य? किसने टर्न किया था ये भी मैंने आपको एक्सप्लेन किया. इम्पॉर्टेंट पॉइंट्स में ये भी लिखा हुआ है. It was none other than Shivaji Maharaj. sacrificed life while conquering Sinhagad? Who sacrificed his life while conquering Sinhagad? सिंहगढ़ के टाइम कॉन्कर होते वक्त किसने अपना लाइफ को सेक्रीफाइस किया था? That was Tanaji Malusre. Who done this? Tanaji Malusre. Sacrificed life while defending Purandar Fort. Who was that? Murarbaji Deshpande. Who was that? Murarbaji Deshpande. Blocked the advances of enemy on the way to Vishalgarh. Who was that? Baji Prabhu Deshpande. Blocked the advantage of enemy on the way to Vishalgarh. Who blocked the gate of the Vishalgarh? That was none other than Baji Prabhu Deshpande. Kill Bada Sayyid at a critical moment during the meeting of Afzal Khan. अफजल खान की मीटिंग के वक्त, ठीक है, बड़े सैयद को किसने मारा था? इट वॉज नन अदर देन जीवा महल्ला. किसने मारा था उनको? आपने ये सारी चीज़ आपको लास्ट ईयर के बुक में आपने पढ़े हो एंड वेरी नाइसली दे हैव एक्सप्लेन्ड. ओके. डिस्कस्ड हिमसेल्फ at the Shivaji Maharaj during the siege of Panhala. That was शिवा काशी. ठीक है, किसने किया था? शिवा काशी. Now I will come to complete the following diagram. Here is a diagram. Okay. Here is a diagram. See, you have to draw this diagram as it is. शिवाजी महाराज स्ट्रगल अगेंस्ट वॉट? 4 ब्लैंक्स दिया है, ठीक है. तो फर्स्ट वन इज आदिल शाही, ADILSHAHI. सेकेंड इज द मुगल, MUGHALS. Third one is Siddhis, SIDDHIS, and the fourth one is Portuguese. Okay, here is the answer. See, can you see? Here is the answer. Now come to second one. Second one is Muslim in the army of शिवाजी महाराज. अभी जो मुस्लिम्स, कौन कौन वो मुस्लिम लोग थे जो शिवाजी महाराज के सपोर्ट में थे? फर्स्ट इज दौलत खान, सेकेंड विल बी सिद्दी हिलाल, SIDDI, सिद्दी हिलाल, HILL, एंड थर्ड इज सिद्दी इब्राहिम. ओके, आई विल शो यू द आंसर. सी, don't do spelling mistake, because if you write wrong then you will read wrong, you will learn wrong. Okay, so write the correct spelling. Now the third one is what? 4 qualities of Shivaji Maharaj that you liked. 4 qualities आपको लिखना है. ये नेम द फॉलोइंग में भी आ सकता है एग्जाम्स के टाइम में, पेपर के टाइम में, कि राइट द 4 क्वालिटीज ऑफ शिवाजी महाराज. सो यू हैव टू राइट इट डाउन. सो दीज आर द 4 क्वालिटीज: रिलीजियस टॉलरेंस, लीडरशिप, कैरिंग फॉर द रियॉट, एंड मैनेजमेंट. Okay, so understood, students? This is the first part of your notes. Now in the second, I will continue with the second part in my next video. Okay, so this much you have to complete it. You have to read the textbook and always remember while starting your notes, first you take your textbook, read it properly and then you start with your notes. तो आपको आंसर सर्च करने में ज़्यादा टाइम नहीं लगेगा. Is that clear? Now see, here are 3 questions that you have to find out from your textbook. You have to write it in your own. Okay, you have to write it in. You have to read the textbook. You have to understand it, and you have to write it in your own. First one is, are you a friend in need to your friend, for your friend? ठीक है, इसका मतलब क्या हो गया कि क्या आप सही फ्रेंड हो. जब अपने दूसरे फ्रेंड को ज़रूरत पड़े तो तब आप उनके साथ एज अ फ्रेंड बिहेव करते हो कि उनको छोड़ के चले जाते हो. Who look after the management of garbages? Disposal in your locality. आपके लोकेलिटी में गार्बेज डिस्पोजल का मैनेजमेंट जो है वो किसके हाथ में है. नेम द एजेंसीज दैट अंडरटेक द कलेक्शन ऑफ गार्बेज इन योर लोकेलिटी. दीज आर द फैमिलियर क्वेश्चंस दैट यू हैव टू राइट इट इन योर ओन. ओके, सो स्टूडेंट्स, I have already provided you part 1 question answers. Again I will come with part 2 of a same lesson. Till then, complete your work. Have a great day.